And today I'm going to be trying out a new palette for the first time. I'm just going to do a quick, simple, neutral look with this, just to finish off my makeup for the day. So I primed my eyelids using the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in Sin. This is one of my all-time favorite eyeshadow primers. So anytime I'm going in with a new palette that I'm not really sure how it's going to perform, I really like to use this one if there's not a good reason to use a different primer, like something that should be lighter. But this is one of my go-tos every single day, so I use this one. So now I'm going to do my eyeshadow, and I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Rosé in the Air eyeshadow palette. This was $5, so I'm super excited to try this. It looks to be very similar to the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. So a $5 dupe of that, I'm very excited to try. Let's open this up so you can see all of the colors in that palette. And I think with these cheeks, I want to do a little bit of a warmer look. So I'm going to go in with this bottom shade in my crease. Good blendability. Good shade. Not too dark. I would complain that they're kind of powdery, but at the same time, so is the Modern Renaissance, so I can't really say too much. That is one of my favorite palettes of all time. But we're just experimenting right now. So that looks nice. And what do I want to do for a lid shade? I think I would like to go in with this purple shade here, the light purple. And I'm going to use just a fluffy blending-like brush. I don't want a super heavy layer on my lid. Just want a little bit. Just going to tap that in. I will use the reds, but they are my favorite. And I did those in a previous video. So I'm going to do something different today. But don't worry, we'll be doing those in the future. Alright, so I got my nice purple on there. I really like that. And I think I want to go in with just a little bit. Warmer or darker? Let's do a little bit darker. I'm going to take this dark brown shade and I'm going to put that just into my crease and on the outer corner. That is very... Oh yeah. We'll have to blend that, but those are nice. I've been a fan of Wet n Wild eyeshadows for quite some time. For inexpensive eyeshadows, they have very good quality, but this one really is even still impressing me. I really do like these. They are highly blendable. Nice and dark, but not too dark. I like that. Oh, that's a good day. And I'm going to take the same fluffy brush that I did my lid shade with. I'm just going to tap that excess product out of there. And I'm going to go in with this coppery shade. It's a little bit of shimmer. And I'm going to do that on my outer third. They are a bit powdery. You do have to tap them, but again, I can't really complain about that because the original is very much the same way. And while they're powdery, they blend well, so. It's giving me a little bit better depth there. I like that. Maybe I want just a little bit stronger color on that. So I'm going to go back in with, this is my Sigma Small Tapered Blending Brush. It is the E45, and I'm just going to kind of fade that in there. These have excellent pigment and very, very good blendability. For a $5 palette, I am thoroughly impressed. All right, I want to go in with a highlight color. So I'm going to use this tiny, this is the Lamora Detail Pencil. I'm going to go in with this light whitish shade here. And I'm going to put that just right under that brow bone. Right under that arch. As if that wasn't already bright enough. Can never be too bright. You really can't. And just blend that in there. Then I'm going to go into my outer corner. I guess that would be my inner corner. That same shade. And I think I want to do a little bit of this dark brown on this same brush, which is why I did my inner corner first. I'm going to go right in under my eye. Add just a little bit of drama there. And I like to take the dark color just about to the halfway point, just right under my pupils. I don't like to go any further than that because I feel like it gets muddy at that point. And then I'm going to take this same Sigma E45. I'm going to wipe it off on my rag. Hey folks, this is how I do things every day, so it's a fair shake. I'm going to go in with that original transition shade that I used, and I'm just going to smoke this out just a little bit. I really like this brush for, well, apparently everything, but it has a nice, brush that off, nice pointy tip on it. So it's excellent for doing detail, anything. So all those small places you want to get to. It really does a great job for that. All right. I think that looks pretty good. I think I'm going to go in with a little bit. I just want to brighten up my lid just a little bit because why not? I just mainly just want to try the gold shade in here, but I really like that, so I'm going to try that one. It is powdery. I'm going to do this one with my fingertip. Just tap a little bit of that in on the top of my lid. Just use a clean finger to blend that in. For the record, that works quite well. Yeah, I have to say I am very impressed with these for $5. That is a heck of a palette for $5. That is a heck of a palette for $5. All right, now I'm going to finish off. I'm going to do my winged liner. I'm going to use the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in Trooper Black. And I like to start in my inner corner delicately. The reason that I like this one so much is it's got such a sharp point on it. So you can really be very, very precise and very, very delicate. And I just like to very thinly coat over my whole lash line in black. Get that down into my lashes. And it doesn't take a lot of pressure to do this with either, which is one of the things I really like about this pencil. Always the other eye's the harder one to get. Is your right-handed? Well, I'm right-handed. Yeah. But realistically, I mean, I could just about stop there. That looks lovely. And that needs filled in just a little bit more. But we want to draw the wing, so we're going to draw the wing. So I am going to come out, I'm going to follow this line here from my outer corner of my eye to the edge of my eyebrow. And I'm going to drag this out just a little bit. And I'm going to make that point. Just elongate my eye and give it that lovely wing effect. I'm going to do the same thing over here. Notice I didn't draw the whole thing at once. I want to make sure that these lines are even, because there's nothing worse than having your eyeliner doing this. There's nothing worse than that. So I want to make sure that those lines are even before I finish drawing everything else. My phone is blowing up. right, now I'm going to finish up with some mascara. This is my Rimmel ScandalEyes Curve Alert in black. My favorite mascara. It's probably my 20th tube of this stuff, so I'm a big fan. And I'm going to use the color Monte Carlo in the NYX Professional Makeup Soft Matte Metallic Lip Creams for my lips. So this is the completed look. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe so that you can keep up with all of my updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.